Malamang marami sa atin ang nagsasabing magandang tumira sa syudad dahil nandun lahat ang libangan. However, urban living can have its downside dahil nandyan din ang mga polusyon at stress na maaaring sumira sa ating kalusugan. Pero pwede naman nating baguhin ito. Papaano? Well, nature tripping ang isa sa mga nagiging uso ngayon. At kung nais nyong makiuso, may lugar kung saan ma-experience nyo ang magandang epekto ng kalikasan. At di pa ganong malayo sa Metro Manila. Dito po sa Mount Puro Nature Reserve sa Antipolo.
Mount Puro Nature Reserve originated way back in the 1990s. So initially, it started out as a reforestation project of our dad. He wanted to plant as many trees as he can. But eventually, he realized that in order for his dream to come true, his dream being to really take care of the environment and do reforestation work, he needed to take care of the people first. Because the people at that time, the locals here in the mountains, they could not understand the benefit of planting trees. So what they would do is that he would uproot the seedlings, they would resort to kaingin farming, so they would burn the trees down. So eventually, he shifted his goal, he shifted his strategy. Instead of just taking care of the environment, he also wanted to take care of the people. So he took care of the people in different ways: health, water, livelihood. So the livelihood is where Mount Puro Nature Reserve would come in. Mount Puro Nature Reserve right now seeks to promote love for the environment and nature conservation through sustainable travel and ecotourism. Mount Puro Nature Reserve is not your typical resort, but it has the facilities and amenities one would expect to see in a typical one. So we have a mess hall which functions as our dining area. We have different kinds of accommodations. We have cabins, cottages, casitas. We have a suite, and we also have a dorm. Then we also have different gathering areas, function areas like the pavilion, the main conference area, the mini conference area. And then of course we have a field, we have a swimming pool, we have a bonfire area, zip line, and all our activities are really geared towards exposing our guests to the benefits of the great outdoors. So when you're here, you're really expected to enjoy nature.
At kapag may okasyon na gusto nyong ipagdiwang o di kaya mga events na gusto nyong pagmitingan, this place is ready to accommodate you in the most natural environment you'll ever get to see.
Being nature-oriented, we cater to different kinds of people, different kinds of groups. So from families to schools to corporations to organizations, we're here for them in a sense that we provide a space for them to disconnect to connect. So that's our tagline here. When you're here, you disconnect with your gadgets, you disconnect to the internet, and you connect with the people you're with. So that general framework is applicable to almost any group or organization.
So the next time you're in Antipolo, ito ang isa sa mga dapat yung bisitahin and get to enjoy nature to its fullest.
If you're stressed, looking for something to do, you want to enjoy nature and the great outdoors, we invite you to come over to Mount Puro Nature Reserve, where you can disconnect to connect with your friends, with your family, and at the same time enjoy good food and the beauty that nature has to offer. Thank you.